AI is replacing jobs. That's not opinion anymore. It's happening. Companies are cutting staff, automating roles, and using AI to do work that used to take full teams. So the question is, which jobs are actually safe? Because if you're choosing a career right now or thinking about switching, this matters more than ever. But here's the part no one really explains. Just because a job is safe from AI doesn't mean it's easy, and it definitely doesn't mean it pays what you think. Let's start with trades. Builders, plumbers, electricians, mechanics. These jobs are physical. Every job is different environments, different problems. AI can't just walk onto a building site, deal with bad weather, missing materials, and still get the job done. So yes, these jobs are relatively safe, but here's the reality. Most employed trades sit around £30,000 to £40,000 a year. After tax, it's decent, but not massive. And the work, early starts, long days, cold, wet conditions, physical strain every single day. Now, if you go self-employed, this is where people think the money jumps. £200 a day, £250, well, sometimes more. But that's not what you take home. You've got tools, fuel, van costs, insurance, and days where you don't get paid. No sick pay, no holidays. If you're not working, you're not earning. So yes, trades are safe, but you're earning that money physically. Next, care jobs, nurses, carers, support workers. These rely on human interaction, judgment, emotion, trust. AI can process data, but it can't replace real care. So again, very safe. But the reality, pay often sits from the high 20s into the 30s. And the job itself, long shifts, pressure, responsibility. You're dealing with real people every day. Then there are skilled technical roles, engineers, technicians, maintenance specialists. These involve problem solving in the real world, not just following steps, but actually figuring things out. And that's something AI still struggles with in unpredictable situations. So again, relatively safe. Pay can be better, sometimes into the £40,000+ range, but it comes with skill, training, and responsibility. Now, here's the part people miss. AI isn't just replacing jobs, like it's changing them. Even in these safe roles, AI is starting to assist, speed things up, and remove parts of the work. So the real question isn't, is this job safe? It's how much of this job will still need a person? And this is where people get it wrong. They think picking a safe job solves everything, but every job comes with a trade-off. Trades, physical work, inconsistent income, care, emotionally demanding, often underpaid. Technical roles, better pay, but more pressure and responsibility. So when people say these jobs are safe from AI, what they don't tell you is safe doesn't mean easy. Safe doesn't mean high paid. And it definitely doesn't mean stress-free. Meanwhile, the jobs most at risk are the ones people thought were secure. Office roles, admin work, repetitive tasks, anything predictable, anything digital. That's exactly what AI is replacing. So right now, everything is shifting. The jobs people avoided are becoming some of the most secure, and the jobs people wanted are changing the fastest. So is there really a safe job? Yes, to a point, but every single one comes with a cost. Physical strain, mental pressure, long hours, or inconsistent pay. And that's the reality, not the hype, not the headlines, just the trade-off. Subscribe for more real UK job pay breakdowns.